Goa, a place I've always felt connected to. A place where I first travelled in just 5,000 rupees and now 2 years later upgraded my budget to 25,000 rupees. I've experienced Goa for all the beauty it has to offer, and my aim with this vlog is a bit different than the vlog series I made 2 years ago with my friends. Last time the focus was a mix of memories and fun my friends and I had in Goa. This time, the focus would be on how you can experience the best parts of Goa.
So right now we are at Valanka Fast Food. So यहाँ पे एक ही speciality है, and that is choris pav. Choris pav. What that is Goan sausages with bread. And मतलब I honestly wanted to have cherries, chili fry. तो वो that is my favorite dish personally, but यहाँ पे वो मिलता नहीं है, but you get it with bread. So for 60 rupees, honestly this is something if you're coming alone or if you're coming with a group of people and you are okay with eating pork. Sit here, see, it's an extremely small joint. क्या है इधर 3-4 टेबल है, वो भी प्लास्टिक के पुराने से, and you can chill like coke का, you can just take a coke, glass का coke or thumbs up whatever and nicely sit here and chill for an hour or something and have cherries pav. So definitely I would recommend coming here.
Another place that I would recommend you guys visit in South Goa is Noisha Snacks Corner. It's a small food joint. You'll get snacks there from 80 to 80 rupees or 120 rupees, and it's a bit better than Valanka, if you want something that's not that traditional. So basically what they do is the bread that they use is a bit different. It's a small joint, so yeah, you can Google them, or I think so you can find them on the way to Henry's. Henry's is also a joint where you can get burgers and pizzas and so on. Ludo's Taste of Goa is a food truck you guys should definitely visit to have tasty budget snacks, and they might be closed on Mondays, so just keep that in mind. Fishka is a good place that you could visit for dinners. It has that candlelight dinner vibe. However, it's a bit expensive. It would cost you approx 1,300 rupees for 2 people.
So we've ordered for prawns, butter garlic and calamari. I think that means squid, and hopefully this tastes good, yeah. So I really like the flavor of this butter garlic prawns, and the squid's also pretty crispy. कभी-कभी लग रहा है onion rings खा रहा हूँ. Very bad example, but yeah, this place was recommended to us by Parth. So man, thanks for the recommendation. You guys can also come here. I took the watermelon mojito. I think you guys can try something different though.
You guys should definitely visit the Goan Fest. It would cost you approx 1,350 rupees for 2 people. They viewed one of the best pina coladas, really, and the food is nice. So yeah, you should definitely visit the Goan Fest.
So we've ordered squids butter garlic fry. Actually we had ordered for prawns, but prawns khatam ho gaya tha, so we had to go for squids. But the flavor is exactly the same, jo butter garlic का flavor होना चाहिए. So that was nice. And roast and pina colada, virgin pina colada, and this pina colada is really good. So if you guys are coming, I'd suggest you guys to try the pina colada.